Shane at Moto Solutions. We have a Chinese Ruckus Clone. Their version's called the Icebear. This bike is not running. It's been sitting for quite a while. So I've ordered a battery. I'm going to put that in, give it a tune-up, see what happens. Be back soon. Your access panel's right here. We're going to pull that access panel off. And there's your battery. So I'm going to pull this one out. Okay, and as you can see, these bolts are pretty corroded. Whenever you get a new battery, try to use the new hardware that comes with it so you get a better connection. Okay, and when you're putting the new hardware in, what I like to do is take the bolt, put that one in there, put this one in. Now this one's going to have a tendency to want to slide on you, so I always put a little bit of electrical tape on there so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay. A lot of times you won't get the nut to grab. Just take a small flat tip, put it underneath there. Okay. There we go. Nice and tight. Make sure this one's lined up. You have a ground. Okay. New battery installed.